how you would dose the V-Mix chemical. So we're starting, for the purpose of Lara Nichols, we use 4 products. We use the V100, which is a washroom cleaner, the V200, which is a multi-purpose and glass cleaner, the V400, which is a floor maintainer, and a V510, which we use as a heavy duty cleaner. The product's quite simple. It comes in a super concentrated form. All of them are dosed to the same levels, so whatever you would dose for one bottle is the same for every bottle and every bucket. So the dilutions are the same, which basically this will make 100 of these trigger sprays, and it will make 50 large buckets or 100 small buckets of cleaning chemical. So if it was a mop bucket, it would probably be 2 of these measures. If it's a single bucket, like a 5 litre pail, you would probably get away with 1 dose into a bucket. So it's to how you're diluting and mixing your chemical.
And it makes how many bottles?
This makes 100 bottles, and that's for all of the 4 chemicals that you use. The trick is, basically, we've got our appropriate bottle filled to the right measure with water with a label on it. That's filled with water. We're always adding the chemical to the water rather than the water to the chemical. It's got a safety cap on the bottle, so it needs to be pushed down and undone, and then it's lifted and squeezed till it gets really up to the top there. Once you release, that then becomes your measure, so it falls back to that level. Once that's done, that can be added to the bottle or the bucket, and you know that that is an accurately dosed measure. So, you edit that one, Simon?
Yeah, we'll do. No problem. Post-production. Okay.
Thank you. Right, so that's now ready to go. You'll notice there's not a lot of colour in there. It should be very, very pale pink. If you get to your sites and you see there's a lot of chemical in there, and it's a really rich colour, like a dark colour like it is in the bottle, you know that they're overdosing. And they're putting too much chemical. The idea of putting too much chemical means it's not really effective. You're basically working harder or putting too much down, and you end up with residues on surfaces. So really, you should be working at very, very pale pink that you've got in that bottle. It's the same with all of them. If you see a really deep colour in any of the products that you're using, you've got too much chemical in the bottle. The idea of this system is very good. It's to cut down on transport, so basically you haven't got to keep as many bottles on site. You know, you've not got to order as many times, so there's less delivery miles go into it. But on that as well, you're not throwing away a lot of plastic as well. So this gets constantly reused, only replaced when needed. This gets used till it's finished, then it just goes into the recycler in the plastic. So it's a very simple way of cutting down on single-use plastics, delivery mileage, and having a safe, easy-to-use chemical for all the workforce. Okay?
Okay.
Right done?
Yep.